think of your head. And when you're going down to, if you put your hand from your forehead and you cover your crown and you get to the back of your head, what do you find at the back of your head around here?
Is your neck?
Yes, birds have neck too. So the next section of the bird that you're going to look at is the neck. You're going to label it the neck.
So under all that feathers, you lift up, you're going to have a neck.
Right at the curve. Let's make sure. Right
neck,
here.
you can just leave it neck.
Right here is the neck. So up here would be the crown. So you put the crown is here. So you rub out the hair. It's a crown. Right at the top here is a crown. Right here is very good. Crown. Right here is a crown. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Right? So the crown is this section. You rub it out, man. You're doing a good job. Right here. The crown is right here.
That is not going to the neck. That one where it's going, what do you think it is? Where does that come to?
Lovely, lovely. The neck, yes. Lovely students, very good students. Where would the back of the bird be?
Right below the neck.
Below the neck, right in this section, is the back of the bird. And the bird has wings and it has to fly, doesn't it? So the next section of the bird would be where it lifts its wing. And we see this little section here, and it's called the wing bar. What is it called?
The wing bar.
If you notice, like it has like a line there, the part where you see where it breaks, where you have like a line, it looks like it has a line,
Wing
feathers
bar.
are different lengths. So you see it's like a bar going across the wing, like a band going across the wing. So that one that points to